Gaming laptops can be quite expensive, we're not going to lie. A complex cooling system is required to keep the heat-generating hardware running smoothly. Also, laptops are smaller than desktop computers, which means there's less room for heat to dissipate. Fortunately, you can get a laptop with reliable processing and graphics performance for under $1,000 these days. If you're not sure where to start your search for a cheap machine, don't bother. We've done the hard work for you. Let's dive right in. We'll kick things off with the HP Victus 15, the top value pick for 2024. Priced under $1,000, this gem surprises gamers with its array of features, starting with Intel's Core i5 12th generation processors and a silky smooth 144 Hz screen refresh rate. The Victus 15 boasts a 15.6-inch display that delivers visuals in crisp Full HD, ensuring every game looks its absolute best. HP has crafted this model with an impressive 82.2% screen-to-body ratio thanks to slender side bezels. However, it sports slightly thicker bezels at the top and bottom, the former housing a webcam sans privacy cover. While the display might show some flex when twisted at the corners, the main body, including the keyboard area, remains robust under pressure. Unlike many of its counterparts, the Victus 15 doesn't feature biometric security options like fingerprint scanners or facial recognition for quick logins via Windows Hello. Connectivity is well catered for, with a variety of ports including USB 3.2 Type-A, an audio jack, an SD card slot, and the power connector on the left side. On the right, you'll find another USB-A port, a USB Type-C port, an Ethernet jack, and an HDMI output. Wireless connections are modern and swift thanks to Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth capability. The hardware inside doesn't disappoint either, with 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. Multitasking across apps and tabs is a breeze, while the 512 GB PCIe M.2 SSD ensures lightning-fast startups and data access. Battery life is another highlight, offering roughly 7 hours of intensive use and potentially extending into double digits under lighter loads. Given its price point, the HP Victus 15 stands out as a fine choice for gamers. Thumbs up! Introducing the Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3, a standout contender for the title of Best Mid-Range Gaming Laptop under $1,000 as of 2024. This machine strikes a remarkable balance between price and performance, particularly if you opt for the version equipped with the AMD Ryzen 7 4800H processor and a 512GB solid storage drive for storage. At the heart of any computer, especially laptops where space and efficiency are paramount, lies the processor. The Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 predominantly features the AMD Ryzen 5 4600H processor, a decision that significantly enhances the laptop's appeal. The Ryzen 5 4600H stands out with its 6 cores and 12 threads, boasting an 8 MB cache and a clock speed range of 3.0 to 4.0 GHz. Its 45-watt TDP is on the higher side, aligning with expectations for a processor designed to power through demanding game. This processor's recent introduction into the laptop market means it comes ready to handle the latest gaming titles without breaking a sweat. Coupled with a dedicated graphics card, the included 8 GB of RAM ensures smooth gameplay, although for more intensive games, this might be the minimum. Fortunately, the IdeaPad Gaming 3 has been thoughtfully designed with upgradability in mind. It includes a single 8GB RAM module, making it easy to expand the system memory by simply adding another compatible module. Visual experiences are vividly brought to life on the full HD IPS display, ensuring accurate and immersive graphics. Additionally, the battery performance is commendable. Once fully charged, the laptop can sustain up to 6.5 hours of use, which is quite impressive for a device of its caliber. All things considered, the Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 offers an excellent package for gamers seeking solid performance without splurging beyond $1,000. Good stuff. Up next, the Dell G15 emerges as a premium champion for 2024. This gaming laptop packs exceptional hardware and sleek design, yet offers an affordable entry into high-quality gaming without the hefty price tag associated with premium brands like Alienware. The Dell G15 distinguishes itself as a top choice for gamers on a budget thanks to its robust hardware suite and vivid display. At the core of the Dell G15's prowess are its cutting-edge processors. Users have the choice between the latest 13th generation Intel Core options and the AMD Ryzen 7000 series. These processors stand at the forefront of mobile computing technology, delivering unmatched performance that defies the laptop's budget-friendly nature. No matter the selection, users will experience seamless multitasking capabilities, ensuring that the laptop's performance remains unthrottled across all applications. Complementing the powerful CPUs are the Dell G15's stellar graphics cards, which maintain cool operation even under the strain of intense gaming sessions. The gaming experience is further enhanced by the laptop's 15.6-inch display, which offers vibrant visuals and swift responsiveness. The base model features a 165 Hz panel with 1080p resolution, but upgrades are available up to a staggering 360 Hz, catering to gamers seeking the smoothest visuals possible. In gameplay performance test, the G15 impressively handles demanding titles, achieving commendable frame rates that bring games to life in stunning detail. Additionally, the laptop stands out for its longevity on a single charge, boasting a battery life that rivals, and in some cases surpasses, more expensive competitors. This endurance means gamers can enjoy extended play sessions away from power sources, making the Dell G15 not only a budget-friendly option, but also a versatile one for gaming on the go. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Meet the Acer Nitro 5, a standout in the affordable gaming laptop market for 2024 and the second best choice for under $1,000. In an era where the cost of gaming laptops can skyrocket, particularly with the advent of RTX 40 series graphics cards, the Nitro 5 proves that high performance doesn't have to break the bank. This laptop offers a range of configurations to suit various preferences, including both Intel and AMD processors and graphics options extending from the GTX 1650 to the RTX 4060. The Acer Nitro 5 shines as an economical choice for gamers capable of effortlessly running contemporary games. Despite it not packing the absolute latest specs, its combination of an RTX 3060 GPU, AMD Ryzen 7 6800H CPU, and a 17.3-inch 1080p screen is more than capable of delivering a smooth gaming experience across many popular titles at high settings and resolutions. Games as PUBG, Fortnite, and Rocket League run smoothly above 60 FPS, while esports staples like League of Legends and Valorant achieve impressive speeds of around 230 FPS at maximum settings. Even under heavy use, the Nitro 5 remains cool, ensuring comfortable gaming and multitasking sessions. It features a 6-inch Full HD 1920 by 1080 widescreen LED backlit IPS display, providing sharp and vibrant visuals. For those who enjoy fast-paced action games, the Nitro 5's speedy 165 Hz 1440p display enhances the gaming experience, particularly for titles like Call of Duty Warzone, offering crisp and responsive gameplay. With its blend of cooling efficiency, display quality, and affordability, the Acer Nitro 5 earns high praise as a budget-friendly option for gamers seeking great value. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. And now, meet the MSI ThinGF63, our top pick for the best overall gaming laptop under $1,000 in 2024. This machine is a dream come true for gamers on a budget, blending performance, aesthetics, and affordability into one sleek package. At its heart, the MSI ThinGF63 thrives on a 12th Gen Intel Core i7 processor paired with Windows 11 Home, setting a new standard for entry-level gaming laptops. It's not just about raw power. The 144 Hz display breathes life into your gaming experience, offering smooth visuals that keep you immersed in your favorite titles. The MSI ThinGF63 isn't merely focused on gaming. Its 12th generation Intel Core i7 processor makes it a versatile powerhouse, capable of juggling multiple tasks effortlessly. Whether it's gaming, streaming, or day-to-day productivity, this laptop doesn't miss a beat. The inclusion of Windows 11 Home further enhances its appeal, providing an intuitive interface filled with features that cater to both gaming and general use. Cooling is paramount in maintaining peak performance, and the MSI Thin GF63 excels with its Cooler Boost 5 technology. This innovative cooling solution employs 2 fans and 6 heat pipes to dissipate heat efficiently, ensuring your system stays cool under pressure. Additionally, the laptop's 144 Hz display eliminates screen tearing, a common issue that can detract from gaming enjoyment, ensuring every moment on screen is as smooth as silk. Performance extends beyond the processor and cooling system. With a solid-state drive Gen 4x4 and DDR4 3200 memory, the MSI Thin GF63 boasts lightning-fast data transfer speeds and responsive multitasking capabilities. Powered by the GeForce RTX 30 series, it delivers breathtaking ray-trace graphics and state-of-the-art AI features thanks to NVIDIA's second-generation RTX architecture. Storage is generous with a 512GB solid-state drive, offering ample space for games, applications, and media, making this laptop an ideal choice for gamers and creators alike. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.